Hey everybody, it's Stacy. Welcome back to my channel and welcome to another day of Planmas. Today we are filming for the week of November 25th to December 1st, and I am using Teddy Bread, which was actually a mystery kit, I believe for June. It was a mystery kit, and it's actually in our Bring Back Mystery Kit events. So if you are still wanting to pick this up, I will link it down below for you because it's going to be in the shop until December 31st. So you can still grab it. I am pairing it with a confetti foil bundle in silver. I just wanted to keep it simple because I just thought that the art was just so pretty. I didn't want to cover too much of it up. But yeah, I think it looks super, super, super cute. This week was pretty normal, like every normal week. It was very typical stuff throughout the week. The weekend got a little bit better. We did a lot more things on the weekend, so you'll kind of see those activities as we pull into the week. I also want to just ask you guys, what do you guys think of my lighting? Is it really awful? Is it okay? I have one studio light set up right now that I've just been using, and then just a regular lamp that I've been putting onto my desk. Let me know if it's enough light. If not, I can bring out my second studio light as well. It's just super hard with my new office setup because I don't have a big space like I used to have. I was upstairs in an office for so long, and then my son wanted to move his bedroom back upstairs, and I just knew I had to allow him to come back upstairs because I personally hated living in the basement when I was a kid, so I don't want to make him have to live in the basement. So I let him come back upstairs, but now my office has to be in the basement, which I really don't like, but it's okay. It's just a lot smaller, and the lighting is definitely not as good. I don't have big windows like I did in my other office. So please let me know what you guys think of the lighting, and yeah, I will fix if you need me to. So I basically have the whole base down, just did my regular staggered boxes with my glitter headers on top. And now I'm doing my washi banner. I did not have very many washies that like match this, but one washi tape that I was so excited to finally use was that marble washi from Simply Gilded. Was so excited when she released that washi like a long time ago because I just love marble. I use it a lot in my full box designs when I make a kit. But for some reason, the grain is like super, super dark and it's really brown toned. And so I never am able to use it because it's so dark. It's hard to pull into spreads, but I felt like this spread, it really worked. So I did get to use it a few times, which made me happy. All right, so let's move down to the day-to-day. Starting on Monday, I marked my work schedule. I think I just go and mark work Monday to Wednesday right away, because I usually use the washi strips that come in the kit, and then I just layer it with some different work stickers and then a work script sticker. Monday I used a cut sticker from the plannerbomb.com. Tuesday is a Prairie Girl from my shop, and then Wednesday is another printable from Stick with the Plan Co. with her little squidge guy on a little laptop. I kind of alternate just different work stickers. But yeah, I always like to mark work first. And then I marked that we were watching the show Echo. So a while ago, me and my husband decided we were going to do a rewatch of all of the Marvel movies. But this time we added the TV shows that Disney Plus has been adding to the Marvel collection, and we're doing it in chronological order. It's very nice because Disney Plus actually has like a chronological order section, so we've been following that, and we have watched all of the movies and TV shows up until we're now on Echo. So if you're not familiar, she was actually first featured in the Hawkeye show, which we watched as well, and I'm really excited to see where this storyline goes. I find that because there is a lot of like sign language in the show. It's not an easy one that I can puzzle to while I'm watching because I actually have to like watch the show. So it takes us a little bit longer to watch because I have to be in a mood to just like sit and watch it as opposed to just having it on in the background to listen to. But it's really good. It's really interesting. And then I marked that I cleaned the bathrooms that day. I marked that we got chicken chef for dinner. My husband came home. He was exhausted and tired. I was too. And he was like, we could eat out. And I was like, I don't know. So I asked the kids, and he's like, well, that's not fair because they're always going to choose eat out. But I was like, maybe. So I asked the kids, and they were all for eating out. So of course I had to. So we had chicken chef for dinner. And then I marked that I pulled stickers in the evening for some more spreads. And then I did play some Dreamlight Valley. I had to finish the star path that they had. I don't know if you're familiar with video games. Basically, it's like an event where you have to complete the tasks. You get in-game items for completing the tasks. I love it. I feel like I have to do them all because I need all the things, I'm a collector of all the things. The Chicken Chef drive-in sticker and the pull stickers are both from Once More with Love. On Tuesday, I marked that we went to piano lessons. I brought the kids to their lessons that morning. And then what we always do is we always go to Tim Hortons. So my son goes to piano first, and then me and my daughter go to Tim Hortons, get donuts, and then we pick up my son. She goes to piano lessons. I bring him to school, and then he brings his donut to school. I go back to pick her up. I pick her up, and then she goes back to school, and then I get to go home. It's a lot of running around and driving, but this year is a bit better because they're in a different school this year, and it's so much closer to our piano lessons. So that makes the drive a little bit better. And then I marked that I went to Taekwondo this day. I didn't have my Taekwondo stickers printed yet at this time, so I didn't put it in, but I do have them now. So you're going to start seeing them as we continue with the Plan with Me's. And I marked that I did puzzle and went in the hot tub this day. On Wednesday, I marked that the kids had early closing from school. And then I did do my grocery shopping. And this grocery shopping sticker is from Bido & Co. I'll link them down below. I love her stickers. They are so cute. And then I marked that we were watching Echo some more. I did do puzzling. And then I spent the evening just like chilling in the hot tub and drinking tea. Tea has been like my go-to drink for the evenings lately. It's been kind of like my treat for the evenings. I find that I don't snack as much if I have tea in the evenings. Maybe that's true or not. I don't know. I find that it is. On Thursday, I marked that I worked in the school library. I had to sub in the school library, so I marked that, and that is from what is her shop name again? I always forget her shop name. Millie Paperico. She has changed her shop. I know I've mentioned it before. She used to sell planner stickers, so I'm trying to use up as many of her stickers as I can. They are a bit bigger, so they fit perfectly in like these half boxes, because I always find that her stickers are pretty big. And then I marked that I did plan out my bullet journal. You're going to see that video coming up. I think it's tomorrow even. I'm plan out my December bullet journal to try it out for the month, and then I can see what I like and what I want to change for the 2025 year. So I'm going to be I set that up, but I planned it this day. And then I did plan more of Planmas. So I used a little squish from Stick with the Plan Co. And then in the evening, I watched YouTube, and then we watched Survivor, and our friends always come over for Survivor night. We kind of take turns going to different houses, and then we've picked people. So we each have 3 people that we have picked as like our team, and then we watch it together and kind of hope that our people go as far as possible. So far, all 3 of my people are still in it, so that makes me super happy. And then I marked that while they were over, I got to puzzle with my friend. She always likes helping me with my puzzles, so that's always nice. On Friday, I worked in one of the school offices for subbing, so I marked that. And then I marked that it was Black Friday this day. It was a little bit of a stressful situation because it was Black Friday, and because I run a sale and had to work this day, it was a lot of like, my husband had to post everything for me. I had it all set up on my computer, and he was so nice to help me out with that. And then I marked that in the morning we did book a vacation. It's actually going to be our Christmas gifts to each other and to our kids. So our kids don't know about it yet, but I'm so excited to tell them on Christmas. Last year we went to California for our Christmas gift, and so this year we're going to go to Mexico. And last year we did like a little scavenger hunt to tell the kids that we were going on a trip, and then they got a little gift at each spot, and then it led them to another clue that had a little gift, and then all the gifts kind of were clues to where we were going. And this year I want to do something similar, but I do want to do like one big gift thing at the end where we do like snorkel gear or bathing suits or something to that effect, to tell them where we are going. And then I marked that I had a bad sleep this day. It was just rough. I had a lot of nightmares, so I just marked that. Oh, and before that, I put a Planner Monkey Co. flat lay sticker to mark that I did a lot of bases for Plan With Me, so I put that there as well. On Saturday, I did some filming, so I marked that. And then I went uptown actually just to buy like one thing, and then I ended up doing like the majority of my Christmas shopping. I am almost done, so that felt so good, so I marked that. And then we do 2 advent calendars every year, which I know I've mentioned before, and one of them is a Lego advent calendar, so I got to sort all of the Lego pieces this day. So I just put the different steps in the Lego pieces in the 24 envelopes, so I marked that one. And then our friends came over to visit. I ended up puzzling with my friend Ashley, so I marked that with a puzzling sticker from Once More With Love. And then I used a nice big hot tub sticker because we all went into the hot tub, and that is from the sticker party. On Sunday, the Advent started, and I really wanted to mark that it was all starting, so I used a Christmas Prairie Girl for the fact that the Advents were all starting. I did edit and do a bunch of voiceovers for the videos that I had filmed over the weekend, and I marked filming again because I did some more filming. And then I made some fudge for our dinner and a movie night. I had made fudge last year once before and did not turn out, so this was so exciting because it worked for me this year. And then I did mark that we put up our tree. That was our first Advent calendar activity. And we watched the movie A Christmas Story for our first Christmas dinner and a movie night. So that was my first time seeing that movie. Honestly, I did not like it. Maybe you have to have the nostalgia for the movie, but I've never watched it before, so maybe that's it. I hope you guys like it. Bye!